All right, guys, you see how we nailed the market surge today? All right. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I think volume should be your only indicator. All right. This is today's price action chart of the S&P 500. Folks, we nailed the surge today. All you guys that were using the vol today, okay, it made me all warm and fuzzy inside when I read your emails, read your text messages, and received your feedback. I love that you guys are killing it, and I especially love when we start off the week strong. Okay, but look, this is a message for all you amateur retail traders out there who might not even know that you're a retail trader. All right, and I'm not saying that to mock you, insult you, or embarrass you. Everybody out there at some point in their career or at some point in their life made a conscious decision to change their bad habits. You could apply that to anything, right? For example, losing weight. People who are obese, they make a conscious decision, or at least I hope they make a conscious decision to improve their health. Start eating better, start exercising. Right? That's the best analogy I can think of. If you're struggling at your trading and you can't figure out heads or tails of which way the market's going, I mean, folks, there were so many people that tried to short the S&P today. You can tell by looking at this chart, right? They tried to short it here. They tried to short it here. They thought it was going to fall down here. But no, the market roared right back and broke the session high. They tried to short it again over here. They just tried to keep shorting an uptrend. And I have to keep reminding these people, don't fight the trend. Participate with the trend. Right? That's what this volume indicator is so good at doing, folks. In my humble opinion, and this is my humble opinion, this volume indicator is world class at predicting a trend change. As you can see from today, the trend change happened right over here. What do we then look for, ladies and gentlemen? Right? We then want to see the market move up a little bit, establish some momentum, and then dip back, kaboom, giving us the retracement. All right, this is the most powerful chart pattern you're ever going to see. And you know what's funny? The retracement happened again here, it happened again here, and it happened again here. So while all those morons who were trying to short the market today got their heads chopped off, the professional traders were adding to their long positions. Okay, because this volume indicator absolutely nailed the starting point. So yeah, folks, congrats to all you guys who had a really strong start to your week. I always feel that when you have a good start to your week, it sets the tone for the rest of your trading. As always, folks, stay humble, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.